Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the exquisite Staub Ceramic 2-piece rectangular baking dish set in stunning dark blue. This set includes two versatile sizes, a 7.5 by 6 inch and a 10.5 by 7.5 inch dish, perfect for all your baking needs. Crafted with a vitreous glass porcelain enamel finish, these dishes boast a beautiful and highly scratch-resistant surface. Made from premium stoneware, they won't absorb moisture, ensuring even heat diffusion and exceptional heat retention. Whether you're transitioning from oven to table, these dishes perform beautifully and are safe for use in the microwave, freezer, broiler, and oven up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, cleaning is a breeze as they're dishwasher safe. Designed by Staub in France and manufactured in China, this baking dish set combines elegance and functionality for your kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.